Hello YouTubers, this is Givazoa, and today's a review. I haven't been doing reviews lately. Battlefield Heroes has taken up all my time. By the way, if you want to befriend me on Battlefield Heroes, my username is UltimateFF7, and my characters' names are as follows: Givazoa, which is my gunner, Zoa Uchiha, which is my commando, and then Uchiha Zoa, which is my soldier, all for the nationals. And then there's a stupid Zoa with an O, like my YouTube username. That's a royal soldier. I haven't been working on him. I'm not even going to play with him, because I don't like the royals. So anyway, today is a review of a program I use a lot, which is known as Xfire. It's a mix between, let me see, I want to say Vent, Fraps, and a couple of other instant messaging randoms. Mainly, here's the main screen when you sign in. You got your friends list. You can choose whether to show them offline when they're offline. You got a chat box, or the chat rooms that you're in. Let's see. What is that? Okay, this is the game servers, whatever. Now, if you're using this for Battlefield Heroes, this does not work at all. You got your folders where you have patches, Xfire updates, etc. I haven't actually had anything updated anyway. So, I automatically have it set to download any patches, but, there's never any for Battlefield Heroes. Here's where your pictures and videos will be, or your pictures for now. You're able to take screenshots with key triggers. I still have the scroll lock S for my screenshots, and you get to choose where you want to save them. And then you have videos where it has to be a certain file type. Like right now, as you can see, here's Xfire Review. That's the video I'm recording right now as we speak. So I'll probably be posting this on the Xfire's website as well for them. So anyways, you're able to upload it to their website, and they got a nice website actually. It's more geared towards, it actually is gaming. It's all gaming. And you're actually able to record games in-game, and you're actually able to use this in-game as well. This will be a two-parter. I guess the second part will be dedicated to showing you the in-game aspects of, Xfire. There you go. And I'll be using Xfire or Fraps for the recording. Probably Fraps for the recording. Now, why do I use Fraps if I have this? Well, there's something with the this program's codecs or something like that kind of makes the videos come out desynced with the sound. Now, the last couple of videos I did don't have that. Then I switched to Fraps. But, I will obviously have to do it with this or Fraps in order to get you guys to see what's going on. Or maybe I'll use Fraps just so there's not too much load on this as I'm showing you. So yeah, that'll be like the second part. Okay, now coming to tools, you have add friends. You can search Xfire or invite via email. You have options. You have managed third-party social networks. Now what this is you're able to add, let me try and think. You're able to add AOL Instant Messenger, Twitter, and Windows Live Messenger. And they'll show up on your friends list too. So this is kind of like a trillion program type thing too. And then you have skin, which you can change. You can download more skins. You have launch, and it'll launch whatever game it detects. And right now it has Battlefield Heroes. For me, it'll just go to their website. Theme, it'll go to. You can change the different types of themes here. And then friends, you could add a custom group or start a new chat room. Let's see, activity, it'll take you right to their website, have it always on top, and then the standard buttons. And then help is just standard too. So, let's get into options and then I'll show you the activity report. Now, here is where you're able to change a lot of things. First of all, we have on general, we have show nickname when available, show offline friends, I have that checked. Just before I, go on, I just might actually do this as a three-parter, being this might, if I'm going to go into detail about this, it might be a three-parter instead of a two. So just to throw that out there. Anywho, moving on. You can choose your language. You can have it start off when Windows starts. You can set have a balloon tooltip when people sign on or off. That's pretty much basic stuff. You have privacy. You have show my friends, show on my profile, show my game server data, and show friends of my friends. You know, so it's sort of like a Facebook for gaming. Show my voice chat server to my friends, show people that I type to them. Really, I don't see why they even have that as an option. What the hell's wrong with that? Who cares? I mean, you're talking to them, so you don't need to, you know, it's like one of those stupid things. You have a blocked users list, an idle timer. Let me see, move on. We'll go into chat. You're able to show timestamps in instant messages, create incoming chat window minimize, enable chat logging, and then font size. You have a choice between smallest, small, large, larger, and normal. Sounds. This is pretty much, you know, defaults. You're able to choose when a sound plays, so I like that. Files. Now this is when you're able to choose when you want files and stuff to actually upload or download. Playing a game is automatically disabled because you don't want it to do anything while you're in the middle of a game. Let's see. You can choose the download folder. Right now I have it set to Xfire downloads because I don't have any worry about any patches. So, you know, that's essentially, I'm not going to get into this whole thing right here because it's not really important. As you can see, here's where I have it set, automatically download patches for my game, but nothing. Next tab is voice. Now, this is very important. Automatically or defaultly, it's going to be set to voice activation. I do not like that, first of all. I hate that to no avail. So what I did was I changed it to mouse button 3. That's the little scrolly wheel when you're able to click it down. A lot of mouses don't do that. So I have it set to that mainly because you know, when I'm playing, I want to click down. I could chat and not take my eyes off the screen. And then here you got all the input, microphone volume, 1-to-1 quality. I have that set normal, whatever. That's still default. I never play with any of that. So it's just a suggestion if you guys don't want it, you know, because like in my last video, I was talking about how someone I was talking to earlier, a couple of days ago. Excuse me, let me go deal with this though. I'm gonna kill her. Okay, now I'm back. Sorry about that. So that's it for the voice tabs. As I had 8 minutes left, so if I get interrupted, you'll get part 2. Now, Xfire in-game. Now, this is when you start up your game that takes full control of the screen, and you'll see a little message down here that says Xfire in-game enabled. Now, this is when you'll be able to control some features of Xfire from in the game. Now, you see how all these, you have edit mode, you have chat window, you have web browser, you have screenshot, you have voice chat, you have music play. I do not have any of these set to an easy key except for this one. This one controls all the rest of these, so if I want to get to any of these, I go right to Xfire in-game. Straight to that, there you go. So that's it, yeah, I mean, you can set it up any way you want, but that's the way I have it set up just because it makes sense. I can go to edit mode from here. I can go to chat mode from here. I can go to web browser from here, and so on and so forth. So it's, you know, really retarded. I guess this is, you know, in case you don't have, what do you call it? I don't know. I can't think of anyone who actually have it set up several different keys. I mean, Battlefield Hero takes up enough keys as is. Games tab. Now you're able to, it'll show you all the games that this program detects. That's pretty much it. Video. Now this is where the video player comes into. You're able to capture video, and you're able to capture sound of the game. I recommend setting it to half size, and if you have a dual core processor, 25 frames per second helps. Capture cursor if you want to. Make sure record sound is checked, and make sure you don't touch these. I don't have no idea what they are, so I ain't touching them either, and I ain't gonna tell you to. And for these, pretty much should be defaultly too. I set everything to my desktop, as you guys know. So let me see how much time. It's probably gonna. Okay, it's gonna stop in a minute now, and I guess I'll be back. Let me just finish with that. And the last tab is broadcast video options, self-explanatory, YouTube and stuff like that. I don't think you could do YouTube, but you're able to do like a real podcast of your game. So, next video will be back, and I'll show you the website.